her foot never even touched the floor. On the side he wallows, but it's understood. She did the one thing he never really could. Search for another life. Not sure what you're looking for. Search for another life. Not sure what you're looking for. Search for another life. Not sure what you're looking for. Search for another life. Not sure what you're looking for. Search for another life. Not sure what you're looking for. Come to me, please. Take me there.
So I asked you through Instagram if you'd be interested in seeing more of my client work process. I am currently working at a project for Dino, designing some illustrations for uploading. This is a little bit of the process. This is one of the designs, and it is not my usual style, but I still do work for clients in different styles than my own, because girls gotta eat. So yeah. This is one of the designs, and it's in a more inky watercolor digital style. First do the sketches, which is here for this one, and I very frequently use the pencil brush, the pencil brush, and then I sketch them, all the designs, in one file, and then I copy them for the required file size for delivery. And so then I place it in a document and start sketching the line art on top of it, as you can see. So this is my final line art layer. All the rocks and the sticks are already sorted, and now I'm gonna go ahead and finish the details for this little dinosaur, and I'll show you guys a little bit of this and other designs. If you have any doubt or want to ask me anything related to my process, how I do to, like, when I'm working with a client, other than anything that I show you here, please let me know, and I'll answer you guys in the comments.
Come to me, please. Take me there.
she's just rock as well.
Thank you.